Hi everyone. So welcome to Stanushar. So today in this video, what we are going to see is Secret of Pivot Boss book reading continuation. So the topic what we are going to see is the same continuation of the advanced camera law concept, and in this topic what we are going to see is inside value relationship. So what is basically an inside value relationship? So we would have seen in CPR. So this is the previous day CPR, and if this is the current day CPR, if the current day CPR is inside the previous day CPR, then that is called as inside value relationship. Clear? So the same way, what happens when the camera law is inside the camera law of today is inside the camera law of previous. That means we will be considering only the H3 and L3, and this is the H3 and L3 of today. So if the current day H3 and L3 is inside the previous day H3 and L3, then that is called as inside value relationship. So in the previous videos, try to watch it. We have seen the concept of higher value over lower value, and now we have moved into the concept of inside value. So basically what Frank Ochoa will be doing is like he'll be waiting for this type of trade to set up. So when this type of inside value relationship he is able to find it in the camera law, then that day will be his big money day. So he will be waiting for this setup because this setup is a very powerful breakout setup. So as we all know that inside value relationship gives an explosive move. That explosive move in the sense it can be a trending day the entire day. So basically whenever the breakout happens, it will be trending in the one way direction. So the inside value relationship is given a more of concentration. So when the third layer of the camera law of today is exactly lying between the third layer of the previous days, then that is the opportunity where you can wait for a good breakout opportunity. It can be on the upper side also, it can be on the downside also. Now he is illustrating the same thing with an example. Let's move on to the example to see what he is trying to say. So if you guys see over here, if you all see over here, this is the H3 of current the previous day, and this is the L3 of the previous day, and this line which is going up down, and those lines are nothing but called as the DC3 indicator. DC3 indicator is developing camera law third layer indicator. So if you guys see over here, this L3 is over here and this H3 is over here, I guess here or here, I'm not sure, but it is over here. So what we are able to see is like this is H3 and this is L3. So it is completely inside the H3 and L3 of the previous day. So that is what he is trying to say over here. So if you guys see over here, the same example what using the DC3 indicator, the same example where we have plotted for the next day. And if you guys see over here, this is the H3 and this is the L3 of the previous day, and this is the H3 and L3 of the current day. This is completely inside this DC3, this H3 and L3 of the previous day. So what has happened? Now this is the entire range. Clear? This is the entire range. So the opening print of the candle opened gap down. Clear? The opening print of the candle opened gap down, and what happened next is, let me show that. Wait. The opening print of the candle opened gap down, and what happened next is, after opening gap down, it just went for a pullback towards L4, wherein we could see a reversal setup, and after that it started falling down a lot. So this is basically called as the inside value relationship. So when an inside value relationship occurs, based on the opening print of the candle, if we were able to find the trend of the day trend, then that will be a one directional or unidirectional trade we will be getting on the same day. So that is why Frank Ochoa always waits for this type of setup, so that he will be able to mint a huge amount of money. So in the 2-day relationship, either in CPR or in camera law, the very powerful method is inside value relationship. So whenever you find an inside value relationship, whenever the previous range is getting broken and we were able to see a breakout of the upper side or the breakdown on the downside, we will be able to get an explosive move on the same direction. So try to watch these scenarios and try to grab those opportunities, so that you will be able to mint some good profit. So this is all the content in this video. I hope I have shared this shared a good amount of knowledge in this video. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like. If you have any feedback, do in section. Please like and share and support. Kindly share this to your friends and family so that everyone will get benefited. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.